Hello, my friend. Before we start today's lesson, I have a question for you. What if I told you that you could improve your English every single day without buying another book, without learning hundreds of new words, and without spending hours studying grammar? Sounds impossible. It's not. In fact, thousands of confident English speakers have one simple habit. Every day they ask themselves simple questions, and they answer them in English. That's it. No pressure, no perfect grammar, no difficult vocabulary. Just simple English about real life. Because here's the truth. You don't become fluent by knowing more English. You become fluent by using English. And today, I'm going to share 10 daily questions that can completely change the way you practice speaking. So grab a notebook if you'd like, or simply listen. Speak with me, and let's begin. Question 1. How are you feeling today? This is one of the easiest questions to answer. You can say, I'm feeling happy. I'm a little tired. I'm excited. I'm feeling great today. Don't always say, I'm fine. Try using different feelings. The more emotions you express, the more natural your English becomes. Now pause for a moment. How are you feeling today? Say your answer out loud. Question 2. What are you doing today? This question helps you practice the present continuous. For example, I'm going to work. I'm studying English. I'm cleaning my room. I'm visiting my friend. Simple answers. Real English. Real life. Question 3. What did you do yesterday? Now we're practicing the past simple. You could say, I watched a movie. I stayed at home. I cooked dinner. I talked to my family. Notice something? You don't need long answers. One sentence is enough. Question 4. What are you going to do tomorrow? Now let's think about the future. Maybe you'll say, I'm going to study English. I'm going shopping. I'm meeting my cousin. Talking about tomorrow helps your brain switch naturally between different tenses. Question 5. What made you smile today? I love this question because it doesn't only improve your English, it also helps you notice positive moments. Maybe your friend called you, maybe someone helped you, maybe you enjoyed a delicious meal. Small moments matter, and they're perfect for speaking practice. Question 6. What was the best part of your day? Try giving one reason. The best part of my day was talking to my family. The best part was learning something new. This teaches you to explain your ideas, not just answer with one word. Question 7. What is one new thing you learned today? Learning doesn't only happen in school. Maybe you learned a new English word. Maybe you learned a cooking tip. Maybe you learned something about yourself. Every day teaches us something. Speak about it. Question 8. Who did you talk to today? English is about communication. Maybe you talked to your teacher, your friend, your mother, a customer. Or maybe you practiced speaking with yourself. Yeah, that counts too. Question 9. What are you thankful for today? Gratitude gives us meaningful conversations. You might say, I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for good health. I'm thankful that I had time to practice English today. Simple words. Powerful meaning. Question 10. What is one thing you want to improve tomorrow? This is my favorite question. Maybe you want to wake up earlier, practice English longer, exercise more, drink more water. Every answer helps you practice English while improving your life. Speaking challenge. Now here's your challenge every evening. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Answer these 10 questions in English. Don't worry if your answers are short. Don't worry about mistakes. just speak. If you do this every day for 1 month, you'll notice something amazing. Speaking English will start feeling easier. Your confidence will grow, and you'll spend less time translating in your head. My friend, fluency isn't built by studying once in a while. It's built through small daily habits. These 10 questions may look simple, but if you answer them every day, you're training your brain, your mouth, and your confidence at the same time. So tonight, before you go to bed, ask yourself these questions, answer them in English, and keep showing up for yourself every single day. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing that you can do this because you absolutely can. I'll see you in the next episode of Twin Talk English. Until then, take care and keep speaking English every day.